Now the beauty of it is that it can be downloaded on any browser, so you can be using a laptop, a tablet, anything you like. And it's simply a matter of going down to where you connect to your Wi-Fi network and clicking on it, and it will show you the available networks. Now your logger is called an HD50, and there it is, HD50 and the serial number. So we click on that, and I would suggest clicking connect automatically. We'll click connect. It's asking for the password. The password, which I'll put in your written book, is capital HD 50 net with a capital N 2017. Now we'll connect to it. Yes or no doesn't matter here, but I'll select yes. This will take just a couple of moments or maybe a minute or so to check the network requirements, and then it will connect to the logger. Then we'll simply be able to type an address into the normal address bar and view the data, which I will show you momentarily once it's finished checking network requirements. There we go. So we're connected, and of course we have no internet. Now the address to get into the HD50 logger is 10.10.20.1. And you'll get to a screen like this, which shows username and password. And just continued on from there. Once we're connected, here's the screen that we will see. And the main screen you want to use is monitor. In fact, that's really the only screen you'll want. If we click monitor, we'll get a readout showing the current measures coming from your Rio meter in millivolts. So that is 300 millivolts, 200 millivolts. So we've just got it on a simulator giving that output. If we go to chart, we'll see a graph showing the up and down that we've programmed into a simulator to give it a test. And you'll see over here we're just climbing up to 1 volt, down to 0 volts, and you'll see it updating here on the screen. Now we could just print that straight away. So for example, if we click on the ellipsis on the side, we can save as a PNG or save as a JPG. If we open them, we'll have an image file of your graph, and we could print directly from there. And then the next thing you can do, which can be useful too, would be go to table, and we see a numerical chart showing all your values that we've recorded. And if we hit the ellipsis on the side, and if we go export as a CSV, down here we have a CSV, which is an Excel file. We click on it, Excel opens, and we have a date and timestamp and your measures showing the Rio meter. These two columns, low alarm and high alarm, can just be deleted. They're of no use in this particular case. Hopefully. And then one other thing I'll show you, Alistair. If you are wanting to look at a specific period of time, which I'm guessing is quite a common thing to do, if we had to click on chart, we can choose times that we look at over. So for example, I'm looking at 3:30 to 3:51 today. If I change that to 3 o'clock, at this point we were playing around with it, to 3:51 and today's date, and go enter, and there we see a graph over that period of time. And then if we go back to a more reasonable time, let's say 3:25 till now, and bring them in, there we go.